The digital world is constantly evolving, and one of the most intriguing shifts in technology is the potential replacement of the smartphone with a much smaller, more personal device. One that's more intuitive, hands-free, and much less distracting. In fact, Apple is reportedly working on a gadget that could make the iPhone obsolete. This groundbreaking device would be a small, AI-powered wearable, a sort of personal assistant that attaches to your clothing, functions continuously in the background, and provides you with relevant information or services without the need to ever pull out your phone. This vision of the future, where a device functions almost invisibly, is rapidly becoming more likely, and Apple could be leading the charge. Currently, the smartphone is the centerpiece of our digital life. We wake up to notifications, check our messages, browse social media, and open apps to complete various tasks, all on the same small screen. While powerful, smartphones have hardly changed in terms of user interaction over the past 15 years. We're still swiping, tapping, and clicking through screens, making technology a somewhat distracting and intrusive presence in our lives. But what if all of that could change? What if technology could integrate seamlessly into your life, working silently in the background and assisting you without requiring constant screen interaction? Apple, according to insiders, is reportedly working on a new type of device, an AI pin. This device would be small enough to wear on your clothing, perhaps clipped or attached magnetically, and act as an invisible digital assistant. It would contain a powerful AI system capable of understanding voice commands, interacting with the environment around you, and providing information about your surroundings. The AI pin could completely change the way we interact with technology, eliminating the need for a traditional smartphone screen altogether. Currently, our phones demand constant attention. We check them frequently, sometimes mindlessly, often pulled into their world through notifications, texts, and app updates. The AI pin would provide a shift away from that, allowing users to ask questions, send messages, get directions, or even receive real-time information without ever having to glance at a screen. Imagine looking at an object, and the AI pin recognizes it, providing immediate details about what you're seeing. Or asking it to send a text while you're busy with your hands, and the device does so instantly. The device wouldn't distract you from the task at hand. Instead, it would allow you to live your life and receive helpful, timely information when needed. This new form of personal technology could be built with advanced capabilities, including a camera, microphones, and a small projection system. The camera would recognize objects in the environment, and the microphones would allow for voice commands. The AI pin could act almost like a personal assistant who is always with you but never requiring your full attention. If you're walking through a city, the pin could display information about historical landmarks, translate foreign languages, or give directions, all through voice or a small visual projection. The interface would only appear when necessary, keeping things simple and unobtrusive. Imagine you're at a crowded restaurant and want to know more about a dish on the menu. Instead of flipping through a phone to search online, you could simply ask your AI pin. It would instantly recognize the dish and give you all the information you need. Or picture yourself in a foreign country and you need to understand what someone is saying. The AI pin could translate their speech in real time, providing you with seamless communication. These are just a few examples of how such a device could revolutionize everyday life. What makes the AI pin even more exciting is its potential to integrate with the existing Apple ecosystem. Whether you have an iPhone, Apple Watch, or Mac, the AI pin would connect to these devices and work in harmony with them. For instance, it could sync with your iPhone, leveraging its processing power to handle more complex tasks. With the AI pin, you would still have access to the full range of Apple's features, but the experience would be much more streamlined and natural. Despite the promising concept, it's important to understand that creating such a device comes with significant challenges. Apple would need to overcome several technical hurdles, from power consumption to miniaturization of components. The device would need to be lightweight yet powerful enough to perform complex tasks. Moreover, ensuring that the AI assistant can accurately interpret voice commands and environmental cues in real time would be crucial for its success. Nevertheless, Apple's history of innovation and expertise in AI and wearable technology suggests that they're well equipped to meet these challenges head-on. In addition to handling tasks like sending messages or answering questions, the AI pin could serve as a health monitor, tracking vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and sleep patterns. Health data would be continually monitored, and if anything out of the ordinary were detected, you'd receive immediate feedback. This could have profound implications for personal well-being. helping users stay informed about their health in real time and potentially alerting them to issues before they become serious. Combined with other devices like the Apple Watch, the AI pin could provide an even more holistic view of your health. This wearable technology wouldn't just serve a functional purpose, it could also usher in a new era of augmented reality, AR. Imagine that you're walking through a museum or historical site, and as you look around, your AI pin projects helpful information about the artifacts, tells you the history of a particular piece, or even enhances the experience with AR. Instead of carrying around a bulky tablet or constantly checking your phone for information, the AI pin would create an entirely new, immersive experience without taking you out of the moment. But the potential applications don't stop there. As 5G technology becomes more widespread, the AI pin would be able to perform even more sophisticated tasks. 5G's ultra-fast speeds would allow the device to access the cloud almost instantaneously, enhancing the AI's ability to assist in complex tasks, such as accessing large databases or performing machine learning tasks on the fly. This means the AI pin could become even smarter over time, learning and adapting to your preferences and habits without you having to do anything. Of course, the rise of these new personal AI gadgets would have a profound impact on the smartphone industry. The iPhone, long the centerpiece of Apple's empire, would no longer be the sole device that people rely on for their digital needs. Instead, smaller, more specialized gadgets like the AI pin would take over specific tasks, such as voice-activated assistants, health monitoring, and real-time information gathering. The smartphone might become a secondary device in the ecosystem, serving as a computational hub, while the main interaction with technology occurs through the AI pin and other wearables. This is not just about convenience, it's about reimagining how we interact with the world around us. The idea of a wearable AI assistant that's always with you, that recognizes your needs before you even ask, and that interacts with the world in a seamless, hands-free way is the future of personal technology. And Apple, with its relentless innovation and ecosystem integration, may be leading the charge toward this new era. While it's still early in the development stages, the AI pin could change everything about how we view personal technology. It represents a future where technology isn't something we constantly need to manage, but something that works silently in the background, providing us with the information and assistance we need when we need it. So, as we look ahead to the next few years, we can't help but wonder, could the AI pin be the device that replaces the smartphone as we know it? If Apple succeeds in creating a device that is as intuitive and useful as it promises, the AI pin could be the beginning of a new wave of wearable technology that integrates seamlessly into our lives. If you're excited about the potential of this groundbreaking device, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech developments. What are your thoughts on the future of smartphones? Do you think an AI-powered wearable could replace the phone? Let us know in the comments below.